welcome back to our podcast. Today we are talking about next chapter, life after high school.
Yup, finishing high school is exciting, but honestly, it's also a little scary.
For real, one day you are worrying about achievement and the next day you are supposed to decide your future.
And everyone has a different path. Some people work, some go to college, some start business, and some are still figuring things out.
Yeah.
That's why we chose this topic. We want to talk about what it's like entering a new chapter after high school.
Yeah.
Especially for us as university student now, we experience what it's like to leave school and start over.
And trust me, the transition is not always smooth.
Alright, let's introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Amel. I'm from Culinary Vocational High School.
Oh, I'm Rio. I came from an accounting vocational school.
Halo, I'm Altaf. I'm from TKJ Computer and Network Engineering.
Really? Same here.
Oh my god.
Graduate to the guidance.
Ooh.
TKJ Squad.
Oh yeah.
I'm Fauzan. I graduated from a Madrasah Aliyah.
And I'm Mimi, also from Madrasah Aliyah.
Alright. So, let's talk about our first day in the informatics engineering at Unindra. Then, was it what you expected?
Honestly, pretty much. Since I came from TKJ, I already knew a little about computers and networking.
Same. Some subject felt familiar and through university level material definitely harder.
Yeah.
At least when lecturers started talking about programming, I wasn't completely confused.
Must be nice.
Yeah, but meanwhile I was sitting there wondering what half the words even mean.
Then the lecturer started explaining algorithms and programming logic, and I was like,
Yeah, that's true.
I remember his terms like coding, debugging, and database every day. I felt like I accidentally joined the wrong class.
Exactly. Back in the culinary school, my biggest concern was whether my food tastes good. Suddenly, I'm writing code on a laptop or a smartphone.
At least your food can make people happy. My accounting backgrounds only helped me calculate how many points I was losing in programming assignment.
So what you say? Experience culture shock?
Definitely a huge one.
100%.
same here.
Absolutely.
What was the biggest shock?
The amount of technology related terms. Everyone seemed to understand them except me.
For me, it was a coding. People were talking about programming language, and I was thinking, I barely survive at least not there's another language.
Yeah.
My biggest shock was seeing friends finish coding assessment so quickly, while I spent hours trying to find one missing semicolon.
The famous semicolon problem.
Every programmer's greatest enemy.
But honestly, after a while, I realized something. Coming from a different background isn't always a disadvantage.
I agree. We may start slower, but we are also bring different perspective.
Exactly. In group logics, accounting skill actually help with planning and organizing.
And culinary school taught me creativity and teamwork.
Studying in a Madrasah Aliyah helped me develop discipline and responsibility.
Agree.
That's true. University isn't just about technical skills.
Soft skill matter to communication, teamwork, and problem solving.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, looking back now, what's one thing you would tell your high school self?
Don't be afraid to learn some new things.
It's okay not to know everything on day one.
Next question. Seriously? It saves a lot of time.
Don't compare yourself to people who have different backgrounds.
Be patient. Learning takes time.
Mistakes are part of the process.
And I say, don't let your previous major define your future.
I think that's the most important lesson. Everyone next chapter looks different.
Yeah, people continue in the same field.
Some completely change direction.
And both are okay.
What matters is being willing to learn and adapt.
Because the future isn't about where you started.
Yeah, it's about where you are willing to go.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. Alright, that's all for today podcast. Thank you for listening our podcast. See you next time.
See you next time.